Hey guys, I'm back with another pocket option 5-second strategy video where we will use the parabolic SAR indicator to trade binary options in 5-second time frame. And I've already made previous videos by using this parabolic SAR indicator and results were quite profitable, and those people who are using this indicator to trade in the way that I'm showing you in this video and in that old videos are the same, and it is pretty much profitable. So watch this video very carefully because I'm not going to edit anything in this video and show you as it is. As you can see here, there is $1,000 balance right now in my account, and we are going to make a $200 per trade. So watch this video very carefully so that you can understand how powerful this strategy can be you in your trading journey. The first thing you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair favorite by making these stars yellow, and it will appear at here. Once you do this much, just click on this candle, select this candle and select S5. Make sure this enable timer is open, sorry, turned on, because it will show you this kind of timer. Okay, if it is turned off, then you cannot see the timer at here. So make sure to do it. And then click on this indicator and just click on this parabolic SCR indicator so that it is implemented in this chart. You don't need to make any changes to this default setting. Once you do this much, and if you see a flag at here, just make sure it is clock and just select at here, click on it and select S5 as your trading time frame. Once you do this much, then you can see you can change the amount that you want to invest at here. Once all of these things are done, now it's time for you to trade. Now the trading strategy is basically very simple. If the parabolic SAR dot is below the candles, okay, then it is called uptrend. And if the parabolic SAR indicator is above the candles, then that means it is a downtrend. And whenever parabolic SAR dots are below the candles and the second dot is forming, then you need to make trade by clicking on higher. Similarly, if the parabolic SAR dot are above the candles and second dot is forming, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. This strategy is as simple as this. So now we are going to trade. Now you need to keep on switching this currency pair so that you can find the right moment. Here you can see we missed a trade at here. We could have made trade at here and become profitable at here. Similarly, we can search for other places where you can see the parabolic SAR dot trying to form the second dot. Okay, you can just wait for that currency pair. Here you can see there is one dot. Now this is second dot. That's why we made a trade by clicking on higher. Now not all of your trades are going to go right, but most of your trades are going to go right. That's why you are going to become profitable. Okay, similarly you need to keep on switching. Here you can see if you had made trade at here, then it could have gone wrong. Okay, these things happens in trading, so you need to consistently keep on searching and keep on trading until you are profitable, and you need to be able to take the risk of the amount that you are willing to lose in this strategy. And make sure to like this video. Okay, let's search for another currency pair where we can place the trade. So yeah, sometimes finding the entry point can be a little bit hard, but it is worth it to search for the currency pair where you can make the trade in a easy way. So let's keep on searching. I'll not edit this video at all. Here you can see we found the second dot. That's why we made a trade by clicking on lower. And we are profitable in this also. So two trades were profitable already. So now what we can do is we can either stop trading for that day because we are already in a profit of 362. Okay. But let's keep on searching if we can find more places where we can make trade. Just keep on watching, okay, because I'm going to give you some knowledge while trading that can be beneficial for you in your trading journey also. So let's see. So here you can see you could have made easy profit at here. So this strategy, I love this strategy because it works a lot of the time. Okay, so now if you see here, you can see one dot. Okay, sorry, I made a trade a little bit quick. Okay, you should not do that kind of mistake. Okay, we made a loss at here. I made a trade a little bit quickly, but still we could have gone made loss in this trade. Now here one thing you need to understand: you made two trades profitable, one trade was loss. Now you can stop trading for that day, okay, because you are still in profit. Okay, that thing you need to keep in your mind. You can stop trading and just book your profit and trade next day or trade after few hours. Okay, and one important thing, you can even see this strategy, check this strategy in your demo account before you start to trade in your real account, so that if that time this strategy is working lots of currency pair, and at that time exactly you switch to your real account and start to trade. So guys, this was for this video. Now I'll put a link to my previous video where I have shown you more by trading in this trading by using this parabolic SCR strategy, where we were profitable. Okay, watch those videos also. You can search on my feed where you can find out that how I was able to even make good amount of profit at here. As you can see here, when I was talking, if we had made trade by clicking on higher at here, we could have gone in profit. Okay, these things happen. So do watch those other videos also and use this strategy in your trading journey and hope to make good amount of profit. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.